So today we are going to start the third letters of Hiragana. So that is Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So. Let's start. So the first one is Sa. So this is Sa. Okay. Sa. Got it? Sa. There is a very famous word in Japanese language which is san, which is most common used language. You have to know what is the meaning of san. So san is used to give respect to someone. You can say that is their surname san, like any footballer name Messi san, Messi san. You can say, okay. So this is san. Sorry, sha. You can write like this, or you can write like this sound. Then sa, she. So here there is a important thing to note. You have written sha, and then you had not written si. Okay, you had written she. You know, she, si, she, si. There is a little bit of difference in pronunciation. She is the right pronunciation. C is completely different. So you have to say she, she. So this is C. Sorry, she. Very simple. She, she, she. When in our further classes we will dive in detail of sa, she, su. Okay. Then su. So this is clear. Su. So see carefully. This is su. Okay. One more time. Su. One more time. Su. One more time. See. Su. So have you got it? This is su. Then sa, she, su. Say. Say. Say is, you have to be very careful. First order. See, order is very important in Japanese language. This is the first order. Then the second one. And the third one. Got it? First one is little bit long, second one is a bit small, and then third line, a line between both. One more time. Try to practice. Say. Okay. Sa, she, su, or this is sorry. This is say, and then so. What is so? So is I like that very much. This is so. I've got it. This is so. This is so. Wait a second. This is so. I will I will give you a more clearly in another mood. So this is so. This is say. Wait a second. Oh my god. Oh. So basically these are sa, she, su, say, so.